Good morning, friends. I am Ravipal Reddy. So, today I will explain about the aptitude reasoning for different competitive exams. Take any competitive examination, either it may be Group 1 or Group 2 or Civil Services or Bank POs or Bank Clerks or Sub-Inspector of Police or any other examination including NRA. One of the important topic is aptitude, that is also known as arithmetic, reasoning and also data interpretation. What is aptitude and what is reasoning? First of all, tell me what is aptitude and what is reasoning? What is the difference between aptitude and reasoning? Tell me. So, aptitude, it is depend on the numbers. It is depend on the numbers, formulas and also 4 mathematical operations. For example, now I will give only 4 questions there. Tell me the answer. First one, the length of rectangle is 35 meter and its breadth is 4 meter. And what is the area? What is the area? Area of the rectangle is, L into B. Area of the rectangle is L into B. So now 35 into 4. What is 35 into 4? 140. 140 square meter. 140, only 140 is not right answer, 140 square meter is right answer. Now the second question, the length of rectangle is 40 meter and its breadth is 6 meter. Then what is the area? Again the formula is same, the area of the rectangle is L into B. Now here 40 into 6, 240 square meter. 240 square meter. Out of 4 questions already we completed 2 questions. Then the next one, third question. Third question. In a family, wife and husband are there. They have 3 sons. Each son has 2 sisters. Each son has 2 sisters. Now tell me, how many members are there in the family? How many members are there? So, wife and husband 2, 3 sons 3. Each son has 2 sisters. It means 3 into 2, 6 sisters are not there. 2 sisters are common for each and every brother. So, big brother has 2 sisters. No doubt, these 2 sisters are common for second brother and also third brother. So, how many sisters are there? Only 2. Total how many members? 7 members. It is not 11. It is not 11. Total 7 members are there. And finally, the last question is the fourth one. In your family, wife and husband are there. Wife and husband are there. They have 3 sons, and each son has 2 wives. Now tell me how many members are there? Each son has 2 wives. Then how many members are there in the family? Wife and husband 2, 3 sons. Each son has 2 wives. It means 2 wives are not common for each and every brother. 3 into 2, 6 wives are there. 3 into 2, 6 wives. Now how many members? Total 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6 is 11. Therefore, 11 members are there in the family. Now you can see 4 questions on our whiteboard. So here, if you have computer knowledge, you can prepare one program for first question. If you prepare the program for first question, how many input values are there? Only 2 input values, L and B. Only one output value is there, that is area. After completing the program, take L values of 35 meter, B value is 4 meter, then finally our output is 140 square meter. In same program, take the second question values. Especially you prepare the program for first question, even though take the second question values and even though you will get the same answer, L is equal to 40 meter, B is equal to 6 meter, your output is 240 square meter. Not only for first question or second question, take any value for L, any value for B, finally you will get the right answer. And same way, prepare one more program for third question. 3 input values are there. How many input values? 3. Wife and husband 2. It is 3. It is 2. Total how many members? 7 members. You prepare the program for third question. 3 input values are there. Wife and husband 2, next to 3, next to 2. Total you will get the 7 because the program is prepared for third question. In same program, take the fourth question values. Fourth question values. Wife and husband 2. It is 3. Again it is 2. So again you will get 7 only, but now here it is not right answer. What's the reason? Here first and second questions are aptitude questions. Computer can solve aptitude questions. Third one and fourth one are reasoning questions. Computer cannot solve the reasoning questions. Manually we should find the answer. Manually we should find the answer. Then it is the difference between aptitude and reasoning. Again, what is aptitude? Once again, listen carefully. Aptitude means it is depend on the numbers, mathematical operations, and also formulas. And reasoning, logical thinking. Okay, today take any competitive examination, especially Public Service Commission exams. Public Service Commission exams, each question carry only 1 minute, and each question carries 1 mark. For each and every question we have only 1 minute time. For Public Service Commission exams, for each and every question you have 1 minute time. Because 150 questions and we have 2.5 hours time. 2.5 hours means 150 minutes. 150 questions, 150 minutes. It means for each and every question you have only 1 minute time. Where? In Public Service Commission exams. Now, take the police department, sub-inspector of police or constable. For each and every question, you have only 54 seconds. So 54 seconds for police department exam, so sub-inspector of police or constable. Now, and the next one is take the bank exams. In bank examination, for each and every question, you have only 36 seconds. Only 36 seconds. Okay? So, only 36 seconds. But actually we have 1 minute time in Public Service Commission exams, 54 seconds in sub-inspector of police and 36 in bank examination. But, practically, the time is less than 1 minute or less than 54 or less than 36. Because, to read the question, it will take minimum 12 seconds. Within 12 seconds you can read the question. If you know the answer, bubble the answer on the OMR sheet. It will take minimum 2 to 3 seconds. Total 15 second process. So now remove this 15 seconds. 1 minute minus 15. It is 45 seconds only. So practically only 45 seconds is there for each and every question in Public Service Commission exams. And next one is the police department. In police department, how many seconds? 54 minus for 15. It is equal to 39 seconds. And in bank PO's examination, how many seconds? 36 minus 15. It is equal to 21 seconds. Now tell me, within 45 seconds or 39 seconds or 21 seconds, how to find the answer? Is it possible? If you follow the traditional methods, it is highly impossible. But we have one wonderful method, that is Vedic math. With Vedic math, you can increase your calculation speed. With Vedic math, without using paper and pen, you can multiply the numbers. You can find the squares, cubes. You can do so many wonders. Okay, I will explain each and everything. Now see here, in the examination, competitive examination, majorly the questions are divided into different parts. First one is aptitude. Second one is verbal reasoning. Third one is non-verbal reasoning. Fourth one is data interpretation. These four are important topics in our competitive examination. So, aptitude, what is aptitude? It is math related questions already which are covered in primary school and also high school. That is time and distance, time and work, average, ratio and proportion, percentages, profit and loss, partnership, simple interest, compound interest, LCM and SCF, mensuration 2D, 3D, permutation combination, probability, all are part of this aptitude. Then already all these topics are covered in your primary school and also high school. Even though once again I will repeat each and every topic. Then the next one is verbal reasoning. What is reasoning? It is a new topic. It is not covered in your academic examination. It is not covered in high school or inter or degree or PG or any other academic exams. The reasoning topic is a new topic for competitive students. Again, it is divided into two types, verbal and non-verbal. What is the meaning of verbal? Verbal means with words. Non-verbal, without words. Verbal reasoning, that is a series, analogy, classification, coding and decoding, directions, sitting arrangements, syllogism, blood relation, and so many topics are there. I will discuss each and every one. And the next one is non-verbal. What is the meaning of non-verbal? Non-verbal, without words. Without words, how it is possible? Example, all diagram based questions. All diagram based questions. Now it is not important for public service commission exams or civil services or any other competitive examination. Okay, and the data interpretation, it is very, very important. Without data interpretation, we cannot complete the question paper. In each and every examination, you will get minimum 1 or 2 questions from data interpretation. Then how to become a master? Today I don't want to take any new topic. Today I will explain you about only basics or fundamentals. The next one, see here, in another angle, the total questions are divided into 3 types. It is very, very important. Please note it. The questions are divided into 3 types. The first one is number based questions. The second one is letter based questions. And the third one is general questions. So, what is the number based question, what is the letter, and what is the general question? All aptitude topics are part of number based questions. You know aptitude topics. And also some topics in reasoning, that is number series, number analogy, number classification, and some other topics are there. Now, how to become a master? What are the basic points? Here, please note it. First one is basic number system is one of the important points. Basic number system. Basic number system. What is basic number system? Different types of numbers. What is natural number? What is a whole number? Integer, prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, rational numbers. These all are important. The definitions are not important. You need not to by heart the definitions. These definitions are not important for any competitive examination. Okay? But you should know the concept. What is natural number? It is important. And one more, divisibility laws. Up to 11 divisibility laws are important. I will explain each and everything. Divisibility laws and what is the place value, what is the face value. These all are part of a number system only. Then second one, 1 to 60 squares are important. 1 to 60 squares. Do you know the squares? 1 square. What is the meaning of square? 1 square is 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 square, 2 into 2, 4. 3 square, 3 into 3, 9. Up to 60 squares are important. Up to 60 squares are important. If you know the squares up to 60, good. Otherwise, don't worry. I will explain the squares up to 60. Then next one, third one, 1 to 20 cubes are important. 1 to 20 cubes. What is a cube? 1 cube is 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 cube, 27. So up to 20 cubes are important. Please practice the cubes also. Practice the cubes also. Then next one, fourth one, 1 to 20 tables. 1 to 20 tables. It is also one of the important points. If you know 1 to 10, 20 tables, good. Otherwise, one basic tip is there. With basic tip, within 2 minutes you can learn the tables from 11 to 20 also. The next one, fifth one, below 100 prime numbers. Below 100 prime numbers. What is prime number? What is prime number? A number which is not divisible by any other number except 1 in itself. Except 1 in itself is known as prime number. What is the first prime number? 1? No, 1 is not a prime number. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. The first prime number is 2. First prime number is 2. Next 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. These all are prime numbers. Below 100 prime numbers are important. Below 100 prime numbers are important. Then next one, sixth one. You know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. You know these 4 operations. But as a competent student, you should increase your calculation speed. Not only accuracy, calculation time saving is also very, very important. So if you follow the traditional method, you cannot save your time, but we have one wonderful math. That math is known as Vedic math. With Vedic math, you can increase your calculation speed. I will explain all Vedic tips. If you want to find the Vedic tips, already I uploaded Vedic tips in Sigma IS YouTube channel, SIGME. Sigma IS YouTube channel. You can watch the Vedic tips in Sigma IS YouTube channel also. Already I uploaded so many tips in both the languages, English and also Telugu. The next one, 7th one is formulas. Formulas. Without formula you cannot find the answer. So please practice these 7 points. Then the number based questions are very, very, very easy. Okay. First, please focus on these 7 points. Total number based questions are very easy. Then what about second one? Letters. Letters. Which language? Which language? In each and every language, different letters are there. In Telugu, so many letters. In English, also different letters are there. But the competitive examination, some questions are depend on the English alphabets. Some questions are depend on the English alphabets. Okay. So comment on English alphabets. It means, sir, I know A to Z. I can read. I can write. Is it sufficient? No. Here, some important points. The first one is A to Z and Z to A. Reading skills. Reading skills are very important. A to Z, you can read A to Z without gap. We can read. And after completing the class, please write the letters from A to Z in your notebook. Then after that, read from Z to A. If you read 5 or 6 times, easily you can remember. Because these letters are not new for you. Already you know. So try to read the letters from Z to A. And the second one, A to Z alphabets position number. A to Z letters position number. What is the meaning of position numbers? In English, A is the first letter. In English, A is the first letter. Therefore, its position number is 1. And B is the second letter. Its position is 2. C is the third letter. Its position is 3. And Y is the 25th letter. Its position is 25. And Z is the 26th letter in English alphabets. Therefore, Z position number is 26. You should know the alphabet's position number from A to Z. A to Z. And third one, A to Z alphabets reverse position number. Reverse position numbers. What is reverse position number? What is reverse position number? A is the 26th letter from last. A is the 26th letter from last. Therefore, A's reverse position number is 26. And B is the 25th letter from last. So, B's reverse position number is 25. C is the 24th letter from last. So, C's reverse position number is 24. And up to Y, Y is the second letter from last. Therefore, Y reverse position number is 2. And Z is the first letter from last. Z is the first letter from last. Therefore, Z reverse position number is 1. Z reverse position number is 1. So, if you know alphabet's reverse position number, good. Otherwise, I will explain in the next class. Then next one, fourth one, A to M. A to M alphabet's reverse position letter. Reverse position letter is also important. What is reverse position letter? What is the meaning of reverse position letter? Up to Z is not important. A to M is important because in English, how many letters are there? 26 letters are there. Out of 26 letters, how many pairs of letters are there? 13 pairs of letters are there. In English, total 13 pairs of letters are there. So, what is the 13th letter? M is the 13th letter. So, if you know A to M, the remaining are very easy. For example, A is the first letter. Its reverse position is Z. First letter from last is Z. Therefore, if A's reverse position is Z, no doubt Z reverse position is A. And B is the second letter. Its reverse position is second letter from last. Second letter from last is Y. And what is Y reverse position letter? B. C is the third letter. Its reverse position is third letter from last, that is X. If C's reverse position letter is X, then what is X reverse position letter? C. So please practice up to M only. M is the 13th letter. M is the 13th letter. M reverse position is N. Therefore, N reverse position letter is M. And finally, fifth point, the vowels in English alphabets. You know the vowels in English alphabets. Tell me A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So, just please practice these 7 plus 5, 12 points. These 7 plus 5, 12 points. Then the total aptitude and reasoning are very, very, very easy. And finally, general question. What is general question? What is general question? The question is not dependent on the number. It is not dependent on the letter. Okay. Example: blood relations. Blood relations. Ramu introducing a girl on the stage who is receiving a prize that her mother is my father's only daughter-in-law. Her mother is my father's only daughter-in-law. Then how is that girl related to Ramu? At present, its answer is not necessary. But here, this question is not dependent on the numbers. This question is not dependent on the alphabets. Okay? This is known as a general question. And also sitting arrangements, syllogism, and some other topics are there. So, there is no any special basics for general questions. Okay? Your knowledge is sufficient. So, in future classes, I will explain the total numbers, letters, and the general questions also. Now, here, what is the specialty of the 6th point? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You know addition, you know subtraction, multiplication, and also division. But can you multiply any two numbers speeder than calculator? Is it possible? Is it possible? No. If you follow the traditional methods, it is not possible. But some wonderful techniques are there. Now today, I will explain one or two Vedic tips. With the Vedic tips, you can increase your calculation speed. Now please note it. The first Vedic tip, squares. 1 to 60 squares are important. 1 to 60 squares are important. I think you know 1 to 20 squares. Already you know 1 to 20 squares. Now I will explain the squares from 40 to 60. Now I will explain the squares from 40 to 60 in our Vedic method. Okay, here first point is 50 to 60 squares. 50 to 60 squares. What is the 50 square? What is the 60 square? And 51, 52 also. You know 50 square? 50 square is 2500. 60 square, 6 square 36. 6 square 36. So 60 square 3600. So you know 50 square and also 60 square. Now 51 to 59. 51 to 59 squares. 51 to 59 square is a 4-digit number. 51 to 59 square is a 4-digit number divided into two parts. First part is a 2-digit number and second part also 2-digit number. What is the first part and what is the second part? From 51 to 59 square is a 4-digit number divided into two parts. First part a 2-digit number, second part also 2-digit number. The first part is 25 plus a unit digit. Second part is a unit digit square. First part is 25 plus unit digit. Second part unit digit square. For example, take 51. What is 51 square? 25 plus unit digit. In 25, unit is 1. So 25 plus 1. 25 plus 1. 26. Then second part unit digit square. Unit digit is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 is not a 2-digit number, but we need a 2-digit number. So write 0, 1. 0, 1. So 51 square is equal to 2601. What is 52 square? 25 plus 2, 27. 25 plus 2, 27. Then what is the 2 square? 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. But 4 is not a 2-digit number. 4 is not a 2-digit number. So write is 0, 4. 0, 4. Now 53 square. 53 square. 25 plus unit digit. 25 plus 3, 28. 25 plus 3, 28. Then 3 square, 9. 9 is not a 2-digit number. So write it 0, 9. 54 square. 25 plus 4 is 29. 25 plus 4 is 29 and 4 square is 16. Therefore, 54 square, 29, 16. What is 55 square? What is 55 square? 25 plus 5 is 30. 25 plus unit is 5. 25 plus 5 is 30 and 5 square is 25. Therefore, 55 square is equal to 30, 25. 56 square. 25 plus 6 is 31. 25 plus 6 is 31 and 6 square is 36. Therefore, 56 square is equal to 31, 36. 31, 36. What is 57 square? 25 plus unit digit. 25 plus 7, 32. 32. 7 square, 49. So, 57 square is equal to 32, 49. Tell me 58 square, try it. 58 square. 28 plus unit digit. 28 plus 8 is 33. 8 square, 64. 8 square, 64. And 59 square is 25 plus 9 is 34. 25 plus 9, 34. Then 9 square is 81. It is a squares from 50 to 60 without doing any hard work, without using calculator. Now you can write the squares from 50 to 60. Please remember only one single formula. It is a 4-digit number. 51 to 59 square is a 4-digit number divided into two parts. First part a 2-digit number. Second part also 2-digit number. First part 25 plus unit digit. Second part unit digit square. That is the formula. Okay. After that, please pause the video. Then write the squares from 50 to 60 in your notebook. Okay. Then after that, the next one. The next one, 40 to 50 squares. 40 to 50. Actually, as a computer student, you should know the squares from 1 to 60. Okay. With basic tips, within seconds you can learn the squares from 1 to 100. And within seconds, you can find the squares from 101 to 999 also. Already I covered all these tips in our YouTube channel. One more YouTube channel, that is Sigma IAS. Sigma IAS YouTube channel. So I covered all the tips. You can watch that tips in Sigma IAS also. Then next one, second very tip. Today's second very tip. Today's second very tip from 40 to 60. 40 to 50 squares. 40 to 50 square. So what is 40 square? 4 square 16. 4 square 16. 40 square 1600. 50 square 5 square 25. 50 square 2500. Now 41 to 49 squares. 41 to 49 squares. See here, 41 to 49 square is also a 4-digit number. 41 to 49 square is also a 4-digit number. Divide into two parts. Divide into two parts. First part is a 2-digit number. Second part also 2-digit number. What is the first part? The first part is 15. 15 plus a unit digit. From 51 to 59, first one is the 25 plus a unit digit. But now from 41 to 49, first part is it is not 16 plus, it is a 15 plus a unit digit. Then what is the second part? The second part is 10 minus unit digit square. 10 minus unit digit square. Okay. So now write the squares. 41 square. 41 square. 15 plus 15 plus 1, 16. 15 plus 1, 16. Then second part 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. What is 9 square? 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. And what is the 42 square? 15 plus 2 is 17. 15 plus 2 17. Then second part 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 square is 64. So 42 square is, what is 42 square? 1764. Then next one is 43. Next one is 43. What is 43 square? 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 square is 49. Therefore 43 square is equal to 1849. 44 square. 15 plus 4. 15 plus a unit digit. 15 plus 4 is 19. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 square is 36. Okay. So the 44 square is equal to 1936. What is 45 square? 15 plus a unit digit. 15 plus 5 is 20. Second part. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. Now 46 square. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21. Then second part 10 minus 6 is 4. 4 square is 16. So 21 16. 47 square. 15 plus 7 is 22. 15 plus 7 is 22. Then 10 minus 7 is 3. 3 square is 9. But 9 is not a 2-digit number. So write 09. So 47 square is equal to 2209. 48 square. 15 plus 8 is 23. And 10 minus 8 is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 is not a 2-digit number, so write 04. And finally, 49 square. 15 plus 9 is 24. 15 plus 9 is 24. Then 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 square is 1. But 1 is not a 2-digit number, so write it 01. So 2401. This is the squares from 40 to 50. Already I completed the squares from 50 to 60, 40 to 50 also. So total 40 to 60 squares are completed. And so many wonderful tips are there. In future classes, I will cover all the tips. Then if you want to know more about, so please enroll your name in our 5 mantras credit point at Ashok Nagar. Then you can, here I will discuss the total topics in regular batch, and also we have separate batches for aptitude and reasoning also. Thank you.